Hey our friends, today we're going to be building my dad in Minecraft. If you guys don't know, we have a gaming channel called Games for Kids Hub, and that's where our family goes and plays Minecraft. And we're starting to post on that channel again. It's been a while since we've posted there. So I thought it would be fun to build my dad's skin. Open up your Minecraft world and let's get into it. All of the blocks that we need for this video is white terracotta, then we need brown wool, black concrete, white concrete, light gray terracotta, blue concrete, and blue ice. And I know that's a little weird that we're using blue ice. I'll show you what it's used for at the end. With our other videos, we've kind of just done pixel art and made it a flat image. In this video, we're going to be making a 3D build. We're going to be building my dad's complete head. Let's first build the cube of my dad's head. It's 8 blocks wide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're using the white terracotta for this. We also want it 8 blocks this way as well. So this counts as 1 block. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then now we're just going to connect this and make a cube just like this. Or a square right now. Wait, that looks like a rectangle. Is that a square? Oh, whoops. Okay, this needs to be 8. So if you guys want to check, just count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then count this as well 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each side needs to be 8 blocks. Now instead of doing this layer by layer, we're actually going to just build all of the tan part first, and then we're going to build the face on it and the ears. So we're going to build up 4 blocks from this block. So we're going to count this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're just adding 4 more blocks to this. So now we're going to do this on each corner just like this, and then over here as well, and over here as well. And then now we're going to just literally connect all of this and just make it all flat. This is going to take a little bit, so I'm going to fast forward. There we go. Okay, so we got the full box. This literally looks like a box, a tan box. Let's now build his blue hat. We're going to actually build up 3 blocks, 1, 2, 3 with the blue. And we're going to just do the same thing on all the corners and basically do the same thing that we did with this white terracotta, where we're going to just fill it all in just like this. Now once we're done with that, this is starting to look like his head a lot. We're going to actually fill in the top as well and make it completely flat. There we go. Okay, we did the top, and now we're gonna actually do the little like button thing on top of his head. Just make sure that you're gonna build this 2 by 2 square right in the center of the head, just like that. So this is looking pretty funny. We're actually gonna use the blue ice next and finish the hat just because it's pretty simple. This is the front of the face. We're gonna go right at the bottom of the blue and just do a row of this blue ice, just like that. But then over here on this corner, we're going to break one of these blocks and do the blue ice. And then we're going to do the same thing over here, just to make it look like the bill of the hat kind of wraps around a little bit. Okay, so we got the main shape of the head. Now we got to do the face. Down in the bottom left corner, we're going to look at this block and we're going to go 1 block diagonal like this. And then we're going to just break a line all the way to the same spot on the other side as well. So that's for the mouth. Look at that. It's kind of open, but we're going to do 1 block of black concrete there and 1 block of black concrete on this side. Now it's going to really look like my dad once we do the teeth right in the middle. Look at that. You can already see the teeth. That's like the gaps on both sides of the teeth. It's already looking just like him. Now let's do the eyes. If we look up from the black block, so we skip this block and then we go up here and we break 2 blocks right there. We do the same thing on this side. From the black square, we're going to skip 1 block and then we're going to go up 2, just like this. And we're going to fill it in with white concrete, like that. And then now on the right side of this, we're going to do some black to finish the eyes. And then on the left side, we're going to also do black like that. Look at that. It looks just like him. It's basically him. We're kind of missing a few little things though. Right in the middle, we're going to break these 2 blocks. Right in the center, and we're gonna do brown wool, and that's for the little goatee, the little beard that he has down there. It's pretty funny. We finished the face, and now let's do the ears next. Right in the center of his head, we're gonna break 1 block here and 1 block here. We want to make sure there's 3 blocks on this side and 3 blocks on this side as well, and we're gonna place some light gray terracotta right in here. And that's for the ear. Look at that. Just make sure it's right in the center and it'll look perfect. Just 2 diagonal blocks. Then we're going to go on the other side and just replicate the same exact thing. break 2 blocks, and you could even see if it matches on the other side as well. Just make sure there's 3 blocks on this side and 3 blocks on this side. And then we're gonna just do the light gray terracotta. And there it is. We finished building my dad's head in Minecraft. It looks just like him. We got his favorite blue hat. We got his face all done. His little beard at the bottom. It looks perfect. Just a reminder, we have a Minecraft channel called Games for Kids Hub. So if you haven't seen it, go head over there. Also, if you want to see more Minecraft videos from me, my channel's called Catch Me Up. I like to do live streams and post other videos on there as well. You guys are awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys all later. Goodbye.